Good morning, class 10th. Welcome to Commercial Studies class. Children, you know that these days we are doing chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is banking. Children, we have already discussed most of the topics of this chapter. Few topics were left, right? In the live class, we were already discussing about the many topics. Now, children, today we'll talk about the next topic of this chapter, that is tele-banking, right? Telebanking, children, is also known as telephone banking. Tele here stands for telephone banking. Children, under this system, the personal computer of the customer is linked by the telephone to the bank's computer. Children, the customer can get information about the balance in his account, the latest transaction of the telephone also. The facility is available round the clock. That is 24 into 7 the facility is available. For that, you just need to get your mobile number registered with the bank where you are holding your account. So children, once again I am explaining you telebanking. First of all, telebanking is also known as telephone banking. Second thing is that it works for 24 hours and 7 days a week. Fine, even on a bank holiday also you can get the information of your account through use of registered telephone number. Children, in this, the personal computer of the customer is linked by the telephone to the bank's computer. The customer can get the information, desired information about the balance in the account and latest transactions on the telephone. The facility is available round the clock, that is 24 into 7. The facility is there. Three main facilities which are being provided by telebanking by the commercial banks are: number one, you can check your account balances easily. Second, you can verify deposits including direct deposits. And thirdly, you can easily transfer your funds between the accounts, right? So this facility is given by the bank, and in this the telephone is being used. That's why it is named as telebanking. Now the children, in very short you have to prepare these topics, right? Now the next topic is CBS, that is core banking solution. Yesterday only in the live class I was telling you about core banking solutions. So similarly, core banking solution is also known as CBS. Now what is CBS? Children, under this system, a customer become a customer of the bank rather than the customer of the branch. As I told you that CBS means core banking solution. So in this, the customer becomes the customer of the bank. Once they get their account open, you become the customer of the bank. You are not only the customer of the branch. So children, by opening a bank account in one branch which has a CBS facility, the customer can operate the same account in all the CBS branches of the same bank anywhere across the country. The bank gives a unique ID to CBS customers which give him privilege to open an account with any of the CBS branches without any formalities. Children, CBS, also known as centralized banking solution, offers the following facility. Number one, they provide instant transfer of funds between the accounts in the CBS branches across the country. Second important feature is cash withdrawal. Yes, cash withdrawal facility from any CBS branch. Like suppose if you have holding an account in one branch and you are not there in that city that time, you are in some other city, then also you can easily operate your account. Third is updating of passbooks at all the CBS branches. From any of the branch you can get your passbooks updated. Last is the facility of the centralized corporate limits in all the CBS branches. That is, you centralized operation is there. So from anywhere across the country you can operate your account. So children, today we have discussed about two important topics. Number one was telebanking, which is also known as telephone banking, and number two is core banking solution. These two questions can be asked as a short note, so prepare well. That's all for today. After this, I'll be sharing you the worksheet on your WhatsApp group. So you will be doing that worksheet and you will be sending the screenshot of the same to me on my personal WhatsApp number. That's all for today. Thank you so much.